Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you might have read in the title, I'm going to be talking about an eyeshadow palette. Also, I'm going to share some of the swatches and create this eye look right here using the same palette. So before I begin, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bells on because that's how you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And now let's just begin. Okay, so the eyeshadow which I have is from NYX Cosmetics. It's their Ultimate Shadow Palette and this is how it looks like. So the front is completely transparent with the black border, and at the back we have fully covered packaging, and this is the inside of the palette. It's so colorful, it is so damn pretty, and I think it pretty much contains all the colors one could ever need for an eye look. Starting from this row, we have yellows and greens, then we have different shades of blue, next we have purples and pinks, and on the last we have reds and oranges. So it's pretty much color coordinated. And talking about their quantity, it's 0.83 grams each, I think, which is more than enough because we usually don't end up using the entire eyeshadow. So it has 16 shades, 4 in each row, as you just saw. I'm talking about its price. It's for rupees 1725. I'd got this around 1000 or 1100 from, as always, Nykaa.com. So I will link their website, this product link from the website, in the description box below. Make sure you check that out. You might also get a discount. Now, I think it might seem a little expensive to some people, but I should say this, that I haven't seen any palette containing these many colors at this price. So I think it's pretty much worth the price. Also, in case you know about some palette which has these many colors or even more colors and is cheaper than this, please let me know in the comment section below. Now, talking about its texture, it has got matte finish and there are also some shimmer shades as well, like in this row. This light green is a shimmer color, and here we have this red color in the shimmer texture. So we have shimmers and mattes, and also it is in a powder format, so make sure you dust off the excess while applying to avoid any kinds of fallouts. Now, talking about its pigmentation, I think it's pretty much pigmented, not like one of those high-end products, but definitely they have buildable colors, so you need to build them up to get that perfect pigmentation. Now at the back, they've written just the quantity, and I just noticed at this corner they have written to peel off this to know about the ingredients, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Oh my god, I didn't know about this. For the very first time I have done this. So over here they have written so many details about all the colors, and also over here they have numbered the eyeshadows, and accordingly they have mentioned the details of those eyeshadows. So basically they have mentioned that some of them are pressed pigments and some of them are normal eyeshadows, and they have clearly mentioned all the ingredients of all the eyeshadows. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly show you some of the colors, how they look like, basically just to show you the pigmentation and the intensity of the colors. So I'm going to swatch them on my hand.
No matter where you find yourself,
this is a
no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right.
This is so damn pretty. If you can see the shimmer.
You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for.
This is
You
how
have
it looks
something that's
like.
going on in
Just
your life
one
right now.
swipe, you can see how amazing the pigment
Challenging.
is, and you can build this color up so you can get even more of the intensity of this color.
A reminder
So
that
as I told you,
a little bit
it's
better
got
care of
really nice
yourself.
pigment. Next, I'm going to swatch this color. It's a
You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
pinkish color. So this is how it looks like. today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more of such looks from maybe the same palette or some different palette. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bells on, and I will see you in the next video.